After a preview build for the Fast Ring Insiders, Microsoft has started to push a new build from the Redstone 5 branch. The company's latest Windows 10 preview build for Skip Ahead Insiders brings the addition of sets that were first tested in the Redstone 4. If you are in the Skip Ahead branch of the Insider community, you can now get Windows 10 preview build 17618 with several fixes and improvements. Here's the complete changelog. Windows 10 Sets is designed to make sure that everything related to your task, relevant web pages, research documents, necessary files, and applications, is connected and available to you in one click. Starting today, in RS5 builds, we have turned the Sets experiment back on, so any insider who has opted into Skip Ahead will be able to try out Sets. With Sets, first-party experiences like Mail, Calendar, OneNote, MSN News, Windows and Microsoft Edge become more integrated to create a seamless experience, so you can get back to what's important and be productive, recapturing that moment, saving time. We believe that's the true value of Sets. Additional app integration with Sets is expected over time. If you are an insider who was testing out Sets previously, you'll find the following improvements to the experience: support for desktop, Win32 apps. Sets now supports File Explorer, Notepad, Command Prompt, and PowerShell. One of the top feature requests by insiders has been tabs for File Explorer, and with Sets you can get a tabbed File Explorer experience. Try it out with these apps and let us know what you think. You can now launch apps from the new tab page by typing the app name into the search box. UWP apps are launched in the same window, replacing the new tab page. The tab UI in Sets now shows icons including website fave icons and app icons. Resume your project with more control. When restoring your projects, you'll be prompted to restore related apps and web pages. In Timeline you'll see when a project has multiple activities associated with it. Here are a few keyboard shortcuts you can try out. Ctrl+Win+, Tab, switch to next tab. Ctrl+Win+, Shift+ Tab, switch to previous tab. Ctrl+Win+T, open a new tab. Ctrl+Win+W, close current tab. Here are a few things we're still working on that aren't quite finished yet. Tab drag and drop does not work for reordering tabs. You can't drag a tab to join another window. When launching a supported desktop, Win32 app from a tabbed window, such as Protocol/File Launch or from the new tab page, it launches in a new window instead of auto-grouping to the existing window. You can work around this for now by holding down the Control key while launching a supported desktop, Win32 app. Note, for File Explorer, in particular, you will need to hold down Control until the new tab with File Explorer appears, not just Control, plus click and immediately release. You may notice some flashes when switching between tabs within a set. If your display scaling is higher than 100%, using touch to interact with the Sets title bar won't work. If needed, you can find a setting to enable or disable Sets under Settings greater than System greater than Multitasking. Windows Mixed Reality. There are two issues impacting the usability of Windows Mixed Reality on this build. Windows Mixed Reality runs at a very low frame rate, 8-10 FPS, that could result in some physical discomfort. And there are multiple crashes at startup that will cause Windows Mixed Reality to not work. For insiders who want to keep Windows Mixed Reality working, you might want to consider hitting pause on taking new Insider Preview builds until these issues are fixed. You can pause Insider Preview builds by going to Settings, greater than Update and Security greater than Windows Insider Program and pressing the Stop Insider Preview Builds button and choosing Pause Updates for a bit. For general fixes and known issues, head over to Microsoft.